कैसे स्टूडेंट? आज हम पढ़ेंगे हाइपरटेंशन, दैट हाई ब्लड प्रेशर। Definitions. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, is a medical condition in which the force of the blood against the artery walls is constantly too high. It is typically defined as a sustained increase in arterial blood pressure with systolic pressure more than 140 mmHg and diastolic pressure more than 19 mmHg. Categorize: normal 120, systolic 80, diastolic. Elevated 120 to 129 and 80. Stage 1 hypertension 130 to 139 systolic and 80 to 89, that is diastolic. Stage 2 more than 140 systolic, more than 90 diastolic. Hypertensive crisis 180, 120. Types of hypertension. Primary hypertension, most common 90 to 95% cases. Non-identifiable case associated with genetic and lifestyle factor. Secondary hypertension, due to identifiable underlying conditions such as kidney disease, endocrine disorder, obstructive sleep NP, medications, NSAIDs, steroids, and contraceptives. White coat hypertension, high blood pressure in clinical setting but normal at home. Masked hypertension, normal in clinic, high outside. Case and risk factor, non-modifiable, age, genetics, family history, race. Modifiable, obesity, secondary lifestyle, high salt intake, smoking, alcohol use, stress, unhealthy diet. Symptoms. Hypertension is often called a silent killer because it may be no symptoms is present. Headache, dizziness, blood vision, nosebleed, chest pain, muscle fatigue. Complications: target organ damage, heart, left ventricular hypertrophy, heart failure, myocardial infarction, brain, stroke, TIA, congenital decline, kidneys, chronic kidneys disease, eyes, hypertensive retinopathy, arteries, aneurysm, peripheral artery disease. Diagnosis: blood pressure monitoring, multiple reading over time, ambulatory blood pressure monitoring or home blood pressure monitoring, lab investigations, CBC, lipid, blood glucose, renal function, electrolyte, ECG, echocardiogram, urinalysis. Lifestyle medications, weight reduction, dash diet, salt restriction, regular physical activity, limit alcohol intake, smoke cessation, stress management, medication, diuretic, ACE inhibitors, ARBS, calcium channel blocker, beta blocker. Especially in heart patients, combination therapy is often needed in moderate to severe cases. Hypertensive crisis, hypertensive urgency, 180 by 120 mmHg without target organ damage. Hypertensive emergency, 180 by 120 mmHg with organ damage. Prevention, regular BP screening, healthy lifestyle, early management of risk factor, diabetes, obesity, kidney issue. Thank you, student.